In my mind, the situation is good. In less than 10 months, we'll stage the Olympics. I said we'll stage the Olympics for it's not the affair only of the city of Sochi. It's the affair of everybody who likes the country, who likes the Olympics, who has the Olympic spirit, not only in his mind but in his heart as well. I was there, I don't know how many times, and every time I'm here, I'm amazed by the progress made by the builders, by the constructors, by the engineers and designers. Today we saw the trampolines, and believe me, I was there maybe 6 months ago. Well, the situation left much to be desired. Now it's much better, and I think that we'll make it in spite of all. And though the mountains is difficult uh, to be strengthened, that'll be done. I was here maybe 2 years ago, or maybe 1 year and a half ago, when there was the first test competition, alpine skiing, the European Cup. And when I saw other venues, like the venue of bobsleigh, the venue of biathlon, the venue of cross skiing, uh, I was happy to see it really. For, well, if the games start tomorrow, maybe we won't make it. But if the games start the day after tomorrow, that should be done. And uh, as far as I remember, eight most important venues have been already tested, 8 out of 10, I think, and the results were excellent, and all the athletes were satisfied. In my private opinion, Sochi may do a great job in 9 months and a half. Well, staging, I don't say, well, the best, for it won't be modest to say the best, but staging the modern games. What is the most, I would say, evident advantage of such a games? I would say that the games are mostly divided in two parts, and they're, in two clusters, the sea cluster and the mountain cluster. And we should not be, journalists, maybe fans, we should not be dispersed. We should not run and try and find a bus and pick up the taxi to get there, to be here in time. For all the venues of the sea cluster, they are very close to each other. They are all in the Olympic Park. All the venues of the mountain cluster are here at Rosa Hutar, named after the Estonian girlie whose name was Rosa and who was very, very nice and very friendly. And I think that we won't lose that much time as usually when the journalists are getting out of their guts trying, well, to be everywhere and failing to do that. I think this is the advantage of Sochi, and this is the advantage of nature of Sochi, and this is the advantage of the people who invested such two zones, who invested money in these two zones, who invented these two zones, who are investing in infrastructure of these two zones. I think that that'll be done. That will make it in time. Surely, I bet there'll be people who won't be satisfied. But have you ever seen a journalist who is satisfied by everything? I've never seen such a person in my life, and maybe we'll find and we'll manage to find a couple. But in other words, everybody will be satisfied, and I'm touching wood or black, happy.